Today we are unboxing something super light, super sharp and super French. Let's see if it dances or drifts. And then we hit the track for a hot lap.
This is 80,000 euros worth of French defiance. It's the Alpine A110, a turbocharged four-cylinder mounted right behind the driver. 252 horsepower, 0 to 100 in 4.5 seconds, not because it has huge power, but because it barely weighs anything. While everyone else is building heavier and faster, Alpine went the other way. Less weight, more feel. A chassis so sharp, it feels like it reads your mind. And on a road like this, that matters far more than a big horsepower number.
But first, nobody knows his name. Nobody has seen his face. Rumor says he once beat a Formula 1 car with a bucket. He's called the Orange StiQ.
This Alpine feels so light. Did they forget to install half the car? It sure feels like it. It barely weighs anything. So, then are we warming up the tires or just your ego right now? My ego doesn't need warming up. The tires are almost there though. And is this the format? I'm slightly scared. I'm the fastest one. This is only the warming up, Mr. Q. Well, my legs are shaking already. Just taking it easy here. We are stuck behind the safety car. You call this easy? Remind me never to see you go hard. Hold on, Mr. Q. The safety car will now let us pass. Let's go! Especially through these corners. Definitely. More traction, sharper rotation, more confidence. Absolutely. Pointed at an apex and it just sticks.
What a ride! The Alpine A110 is feather light, razor sharp and built just for driving joy. During the quickfire round, we found out just how insane the balance is. Even the Orange StiQ said, it turns like it's reading your mind. Let's not forget, no turbo lag, all emotion. But now, it's time to review that all-important number. With that mid-engine magic and French flair, the Alpine crossed the line in 1 minute and 3.5 seconds. That's one of the fastest yet. I'm Mr. Q. See you next time.